Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. Winston and I are currently camping, and this video is going to be about how I organize the inside of my van in the mornings to get ready for my day ahead. Let's get started. I haven't needed a jacket while I'm here because it's so warm, which is awesome. I love our 50-degree nights, so I don't have to bundle up. It's perfect sleeping weather for me. Winston's bed. There's some weird noises coming from a distance out there. Almost sounded like dogs fighting, which is scary. Oftentimes I fold my blankets outside of the van, but for purposes of this video, I'm not going to. That's not perfect, but that'll work. That stuff goes on top of my coffee. Okay. Oh yeah. Forgot I had a blanket I didn't use last night because it's so warm. Good, making progress. I am so in love with how minimalist my setup is feeling right now. When I was in my van last night, I don't know, I felt like I had more space. And I'm a minimalist, yeah, but I've really been simplifying my setup even more. And I'm at a really good spot right now. So I'm really just digging the field today, guys. It's a vibe. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I kind of get my van ready for the day in the morning to get it organized. I like to make sure that my van is organized, picked up, and clean before I pretty much start every day, unless I'm actively traveling and driving for the day, so which is not happening right now. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to me if you haven't yet. I love you guys so much, and Winston and I will see you next time.